Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, pyare Hazur. My name is Zain Chowdhury. I am 15 years old.
Zain Ahmed? Your name is Zain Ahmed?
Hanji.
Acha. You say Zain Chowdhury. It is Zain Chowdhury, not Zain. So you pronounce your name as this British people pronounce your name, huh? Okay.
I am from Birmingham Central Jamaat in West Midlands. My question is, my grandparents are non-Ahmadi. How can I make them interested in Ahmadiyya?
When did your family accepted Ahmadiyya?
My dad's side were already Ahmadi, but from my mom's side they weren't. My mom
your maternal grandparents are not Ahmadis, but paternal from father's side they are Ahmadis, right?
Yes.
You see, if they are Muslims,
Hanji.
If they are Muslims, then if they see there is a significant change in your lifestyle, as I have already mentioned, that you are a practicing Muslim, and they see their grandchild is offering 5 daily prayer, they see that their grandchild is reading the Holy Quran daily, they see that their grandchild is morally better than the other grandchildren who are not Ahmadis. So definitely they will try to think that what is special in Ahmadiyya, why Ahmadiyya has made some change in it. So the right way is that try to be a practicing Ahmadi Muslim. In this way you can attract others also towards Ahmadiyya. Okay? This is the only way. So there should be some significant change in your practice with regards to Islamic teachings and your morals. If you are better than your other cousins and other family members who are not Ahmadis, then obviously they will try to get attracted towards Ahmadiyya. Right?
Yeah.
Not only even your grandparents, but your other family members as well. Okay? Okay? Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.
Jazakallah.